Ladies and gents, welcome to Kosovo. I don't know why it says welcome over there in German, but we are in Pristina, Kosovo. This is kind of a main square over here. Okay, copyright music with that guy. Let's crack on. Hey. We got army over here. Hey. I think they got fries over there. Seems like fries. That's a main strip over here, main road, where you can walk up. Let's go up. This capital city is not so big as I was expected, so we're not gonna stay here long. I'm gonna film and go to Montenegro after this. I'm gonna drive straight to Montenegro, around 5 hours drive. Saturday afternoon. Let me check the time. I really don't know the time. It's around 2 o'clock. No, it's 1:20 p.m. That's why you see so many people around here. We're going to give all these stalls over here on the left and right hand side will be open. Or usually they are open, I don't know. Those are bars, restaurants. Hopefully it will not rain though. I got no umbrella. I got no umbrella. Sweet Diamond Hotel. That's a hotel here. Yellow building. A bit of breeze is always welcome, like now. Got a statue over there. So they got kind of two squares united by a straight line. Running between the water. Splash. Okay, where I'm going now? Where about I'm gonna go now? Oh boy. Kind of finished it. I'm gonna turn the left over here. Finish the main road. City center like. In less than 8 minutes. Traffic. No one likes it. I know my car is over here on the left hand side, so we're just gonna go pick it up. And that's it. Okay, so Black Beauty is over there on the corner, on top. There's a car park between the buildings. Ladies and gents, I'm sorry because this is a short video. But see you in the next one. Take care and all the best. Next one will be Montenegro. Kotor. Well, let's see how I'm going to post these videos. But next one, there I'm going to go from here. From Pristina. See you later, alligator. Bye.